Hi boys and girls, so for this activity you are going to need a partner, so make sure you have one. If not, pause and go get one. Alright, so for this it says that you need 2 different colored crayons and 1 die or dice. So make sure you have that. And then the directions say each player chooses a color to use. That's why you needed those 2 different colored crayons. Player 1 rolls the die and reads aloud a word from that column. So if I was player 1 and I rolled a 2, I would read a word from this column right here, up and down. If the word is read correctly, the player colors the box containing that word. Player 2 gets a turn and does the same thing. If there are no boxes left in the column to be colored, like so, for example, we colored all of these already in box 3, then that player rolls a 3, they lose their turn. And you continue playing until all of the boxes are colored in. The player with the most boxes colored in wins. Remember, you have to pay attention to what the other player is doing because you need to make sure that they are reading their contraction words correctly. Because if they read it incorrectly, they don't get to color in their box. All right, good luck. Remember, please return your crayons to the crayon bin and the dice to the bin where you got this paper. Have fun playing your game.